So guys, welcome back to part 4 of the 57 Chevy Nomad. And we will be doing stuff like paint, and we'll also be doing stuff like custom engine bay. And that's it. Also, I'm not going to paint the body yet because I have to get a certain color for it, and I haven't really figured out the color. So guys, this is the end of this video, and I just finished up, last night painting up all the stuff and getting everything. So, today's Monday. So Thursday, right? Wednesday and Tuesday. Wait, Monday, Alright, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I got it mixed up. I'm gonna be going to South Carolina. So tomorrow is Tuesday. So that means, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to, just like I did for the, Dodge Ram at SVT, whatever it was, the blue truck, pickup truck. Just like I did for that, I'm going to model in a hotel. I'm going to model the 57 Nomad in a hotel. Now, I have everything I need to actually bring all the parts and all the stuff we need to make this, custom Nomad. I have everything, every part we need, all the wiring and stuff. But I did go ahead and paint it, and it looks beautiful. I like this a lot. So black top, red bottom with the silver on the side panel. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.